Are you tired of all the kitchen clutter, or maybe the time you spend wasting looking for items? In this video, we're going to share some great organization ideas in the cabinet, the drawers, to spices, baking storage tips, and these small changes can have a big impact on how well your kitchen functions. And a huge thanks to our blogging friends for letting us share these ideas with you. Cabinet organization is key for small kitchens. Utilize the vertical space in your cabinets by using tiered shelves, risers, and stackable bins. Don't forget to use the cabinet door as storage as well. This is a great way to keep those measuring spoons and cups from floating all around the drawer. Just use simple command hooks that are removable so you won't damage your cupboards. In small kitchens, simple dividers make for smart organization. This is a great way to organize cutting boards, sheet pans, baking pans, pizza stones, and platters. Make your small kitchen more organized and efficient with pull-out shelves. Not only will you be able to keep things tidy, but you'll also gain some needed vertical storage space. In a small kitchen, making use of every space to the fullest is key. If you like to DIY, take a look at this utensil storage idea. Certainly, small changes like this can help keep items organized and off the countertops. We believe one of the smartest ways to keep any kitchen organized is with pull-out shelves or deep drawers. If you have a blind corner cabinet in your kitchen, you probably have a turntable, but they're not always ideal. Oftentimes, items can fall off the turntable and can be difficult to retrieve, but we love these organization ideas for your small kitchen. Clearly, turntables or Lazy Susans are a great idea for standard cabinet as well. Keeping drawers neat and organized is top priority in any kitchen. It doesn't need to be fancy. In fact, this adjustable bamboo organizer, along with a couple of bamboo boxes, are perfect in this drawer. The key is to use every inch of the space wisely. Even affordable IKEA drawer organizers can keep cooking utensils neat and orderly. And spices, alphabetically arranged in cohesive containers, keep this drawer looking neat and tidy. If you need something a little more customized, take a look at these DIY drawer dividers from Katie. You can learn how to make this yourself on her blog. And what do you do with those small drawers like this? Sometimes you need to experiment to see what works best in your kitchen. It turned out to be the perfect spot to organize food storage bags in this kitchen space. Storing like items together will also help to maintain order in your kitchen. And one of these ideas we love is this lid organizer in this drawer. It helps to keep order that can easily get out of control. You can also double the amount of storage space in a drawer by folding towels vertically, and it always stays looking neat. If you're tight on storage space in your kitchen, you may need to be a little bit creative, think outside the box, and use your wall space as storage. Not only is it a smart way to utilize space to store more items, but it also looks amazing, and the items are really accessible. Another way to keep your kitchen organized and running smoothly is to create zones. Don't you love this lunch packing zone? Kids can easily see items with these clear bins and grab what they need for lunch. And you can also make a baking zone. All baking supplies are stored on a roll-out shelf with modular containers that are neatly labeled. Can you see yourself implementing some of these ideas in your kitchen? Another area in the kitchen that can be hard to keep organized is the spices. They can come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes and often get lost in the cupboards and drawers. But if you label them and sort them alphabetically, this is one way to help keep them tidy. And if you use the same size of container, it will help even more. And remember, if you're short on drawer space, you can always use wall space or the side of your fridge. Look at this awesome idea for storing those zippered bags and wraps. These bamboo containers can be picked up at several different stores, or if you're feeling crafty, you can create one yourself. And again, if you're short on drawer space, you can always try a wall-mounted wrap dispenser. And if space is super tight, you can store them in a magazine holder underneath the cupboard. And if you're anything like us, you might have a pet peeve about trash cans in the kitchen. They're a huge necessity, but we don't want to see them. So with a simple kit, you can convert a cabinet into a pull-out recycling and trash center. And if you have to have those paper towels around, why not make your own marble paper towel holder? Then it's too pretty to keep tucked away in your cupboard. You can also free up some cabinet space in your kitchen by styling items that are often used in a beautiful tray. No matter what small kitchen organization ideas you decide to implement in your home, the key is to start small and build up as you go along. Utilize the space you have and don't be afraid to experiment with small changes. With small kitchen organization hacks, you can transform the way your kitchen functions and make it a more efficient space for cooking and entertaining. And if you're looking for even more organization ideas, tap that link above or find the playlist down in the description below. We have ideas for your pantry, laundry room, closet, toys, games, bathrooms, you name it, we've got it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.